everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I am in a Luxe luxury toy hauler fifth wheel, and this is just getting ready for delivery. Wanted to quickly run through this to show you from back to front what this looks like. So here we're in the 14.4 garage. This is a little over 8 feet. It's like 8 feet 1 inch wide, and so it's a little dark in here, but it's got a bunk system in the back here, and it's got that rubber diamond plate with the E-track. You can also use D-rings in there if you prefer the D-rings. That screws directly to the frame. So this customer did a little bit some special stuff back here. Instead of the half bath, they've got an amazing pantry in here. These are some of the things that we can do. So right in here into the living area, just beautiful. Got an extended countertop there. That's a 24-inch wide residential oven. All solid surface. Residential style fixtures. This customer picked their own fabric and valances, so really unique and beautiful style in here. Swing around. Now, some of you have asked about the flush floor in the dinette area. One of the reasons why we don't do a flush floor is because of that residential refrigerator. That's a heavy refrigerator. So we're trying to figure out some ways to make sure that that slide is very solid and secure and that can hold the weight. So maybe down the future we'll figure out a flush slide, but for now it's really not that big of a deal. It's just a very small step. We do have a flush slide on this side. Very nice, no toe kicks in the kitchen area or where the L-shaped sofa is. Beautiful fireplace in there with actual rock stone backsplash. Go up here. This one has a vac system in it. Let's follow up here. Go into the bathroom. Solid surface in there. All of our cabinetry is maple hardwood, and we stain different stains. This is a cherry interior, and this customer has picked the backsplash to match the blue furniture. Just beautiful the way they've done this. One-piece fiberglass shower with a seat in there. We could also put a tub in here if you like. So let's go in here. This is the bedroom area. This customer has opted for the queen size bed. Gives you some more room around there. We can fit a king size. King size is standard in this floor plan, but lots of floor space to move around. Even with the king, there's plenty of floor space to move around, make your bed and everything. So look at that cabinetry. Isn't that beautiful? Now the headboard they've matched with the furniture and the valances just makes it beautiful. So hey, give us a call, ask us some questions about our interiors. We have a beachfront, a cherry, or a Brazilian interior. You take your pick, personalize it to the way you like it. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. Dinette.com.